Hello, in this video we are going to see about user management in Linux using CLI mode. Okay, first I am going to open my terminal here. Okay, I will close this one, which is like quite distracting here. Okay, yeah. The user management in Linux is followed by these commands: user add or add user, user mod, and user did. Okay, first we are going to see about user add or add user, which one you want. Okay, first I'm going to add a user. Take the username as sample. Okay, user add. Oh, it's getting permission and error. I'm trying to log in as a root user. Okay, user add sample. Okay, after adding the user, if you want to set the password for the user, then we discussed in our previous video itself, it's for which user, sample user, password for sample user. Now it's asking for the new password. Okay, yeah, now you successfully added a user into the Linux. You can see over here, yeah, see, sample is there. Okay, okay, now what we are going to see is, this is the important add slash etc slash password. Here you can see the user accounts grep for sample. Okay, yeah, you can see there is a user called sample with a user ID 1002 with a group ID 1002 with their home directory home sample. Okay, okay, if you want to add a user with a expiry date, for example, there is a new user, there is a new employee into your organization, and if the employee is going to he is a contract employee, he will be working for next like 1 month, then you can add such user with the expiry date. Okay, so how to add a user with the expiry date? This is the attribute. Let's take today's date is 2018 12/26, that is after Christmas, so I'm going to give 2018 in 26. No, month will be 12, and the user and the date is 26. Okay, this is today's date. If you wish to add the user with 1 month of expiry date, then it will be like 2019 of the month 01. Okay, the command should be like expiration date will be like attribute of minus e with the month and the date. Okay, for which user? Contract maybe you can give his employee code. Let's take it as 1002 or 10,002. Okay, enter. Okay, maybe we will give the name. His name will be like Ram. Contract underscore Ram. Okay, yeah. We add a user with the expiry date here. If you want to set the password, you can type passwd underscore passwd is followed by his username contract minus Ram. Okay, now I wish to delete this user. Contract if you don't give the password for the user, then the user can able to log in directly by inserting his username and pressing enter. So yeah, the user is deleted. Okay, then I'm going for the next attribute, which is user add. If you wish to give the user with a particular user ID for a specific purpose, like 1001 to 10,000 for the developer user, and 10,001 to 20,001 for the testing user, 20,001 to 30,000 for the infrastructure user. Like if you want to split, then it's fine. You can use the user add minus u for the user ID. If you wish to specify the user ID like 10,001, it's for testing user. Okay, tester. Yeah, it's user add. You are going to specify the user ID, so you are giving the attribute minus u followed by the user ID, then the username. Here I am going to give tester. Okay, then if you want to add a user with first I am going to delete the user here. User add tester. Okay, now I am going to add a user with the user ID and group ID. Okay, here the group is a, let's take it as a primary group. In Linux there are two groups, primary group, secondary group. Now I am going to add a user with user ID and group ID. Let's make it as 10,002. He is a tester. Okay, now I'm going to add a user with a primary group here, so it will be like 1000. Okay, 1000. I'm doing successfully. Yes, you can now you can add a user. Now you added a user with a user ID and group ID. The user ID of the user is 10,002 and the group ID is 1000. You can see here like cat /etc/passwd grep tester. See, I already told, no, this is the important file for the user management. See here the username is tester. You can see tester over here with the user ID 10,002. Here the user ID is 10,002 with the group ID is 1000. Here you can see the group ID is 1000. his current directory is home tester. Okay, yeah, you can add more number of user in a single line. That's we will see in next video. If you next we can add a user with the comments. Okay, it is also an attribute which is presented in Linux. Okay, user add. For comments the attribute is C. Okay, let's he is a developer. His name is, take it as Steve. Okay. Okay, yes, the user is added here. See, Steve, user ID is 10003, group ID is 10003, comment is developer. He can use his default login directory, home directory is home_Steve. Okay, okay, now if you want to specify the user with a particular home directory, okay, if you are adding a user like take XYZ, then his default home directory is home/XYZ, right? If you want to specify a particular home directory for a number of user, then for example here I am taking Steve. Okay, I'm adding a user with his home directory. Okay, so both of them can view the same. So user add D is the command /home/ Steve. Okay, Stephen. Okay, yeah, now if you see the home directory of Stephen, right, it is not /home/Stephen, it will be like /home/Steve. That is possible here. Okay, see, the home directory of Stephen is home Steve, and the home directory of Steve also home Steve. Yeah, I think this is okay for here. Now we are going to move to the next part, okay, which is like user deletion. Then we will see about user modification. Okay, yeah, if you are going to delete a user, then you should use user del command in Linux. If for example if I am going to delete the user, let's see cat /etc/cast/wt. see, you can see like more number of users here listed here. Like these are like system user, like see your user ID is 120. From here after 1000 there are like normal users. Okay, if you see like 100, the numbers are in 100, then it is the system users. If the number starts from 1000, then it is normal user. Okay, for example I'm going to delete a user called sample user del sample. So yeah, here the sample is present between Mohan and tester with the ID of 1002. Okay, after deleting, if you see, there will be no sample. Okay, Mohan tester, in between there is no account sample, his, so the entire information is lost. Okay, if you want to delete the user, along with his home directory. Okay, then you should use this command or here is recursive. Recursive means delete his home directory. Okay, let's take Stephen. User okay, maybe we'll try with the tester. Then let's repeat over here. Yeah, Stephen and tester, both of them are not found. So if you use the attribute R, then their home directory also deleted. If you want to delete the user, I'm currently working in a system. Okay, let's take it as a scenario. I'm currently working in a system. Okay, my administrator like to terminate my account. Okay, but I am using the system. In such case, he will use this command, because for example I am running a process which is taking the consuming like huge amount of CPU. So my administrator wants me, but I am doing the same repeatedly. So the administrator purposefully deleting my account, uh, but I am currently logging into the system. So in such case, what the administrator will do is forcefully delete my account. Let's take it as Steve. Okay, like I'm a Steve, I'm using the account and running a process which is consuming more amount of CPU. So what I will do is, the administrator will do is, like he will put this command in his terminal. Okay, so see, there is no Steve here. Okay, like he's deleted my account, so I cannot able to log in my account after. Okay, coming to the next part, which is user mod. It is a very important command in Linux, used to by the system administrator. Every system administrator must know about the user management, particularly the user mod. Okay, user mod. Like now I wish to change the home directory. I already told for home directory you should use the attribute D. Okay, for the I'm going to change the home directory. Okay, let's create a user. Now we use the command add user. Okay, add user, like what to say, ram. Okay, yeah, you can see it's asking for password. Okay, but in user add you need to insert another command, passability for password. Okay, I'm giving the password and I'm giving the password. If you want to specify the full name, you can do it, room number, work phone, home phone, others, you can do it. It's just for administrative purpose. Okay, enter. Okay, now the ram is added here. So cat slash etc slash passwd. Okay, his current home directory is home slash ram. If you wish to change his home directory, then you can use this command. Okay, I wish to use the home directory of Mohan for ram. Okay, see here, ram current home directory is here, home ram. You can see home ram, but now I try to modify his home directory to home Mohan. Okay, so and okay, now you can see the home directory of ram. Yeah, it's home Mohan. Okay, if you now if you wish to change his primary group of ram, okay, then you should use this command. Actually, like, I'm not seeing any group over here. We will discuss in our next video or coming videos. Okay, now if you wish to lock the account of ram, okay, you can use this command. Let's press Ctrl L because the screen is somewhat clumsy. Okay, if you use this command, then he cannot able to log in. See, it will show authentication failure. Okay, so to unlock, I already told, to unlock the account you should use the attribute to say it's U, capital U. Okay, now the account is unlocked. Now you again login out of the system and trying to login as ram if you know the password. Okay, switch user to ram. I think this is correct. Yeah, now you can see you can able to login as ram because we unlocked that account. Okay, for example, if you want to change the login name for this user, then you can, for example, ram to ram kumar, then you can also do it. For login name, L, small l. If you put capital L, then it leads to the locking of the account. Okay, so be careful. So ram kumar ram. So actually, like, user ram is currently used by the process 3800. Yeah, correct. Actually, currently I'm logging as ram. Okay, so we can use the different account. For example, you can create a new one, user add maybe like star. Okay, password for star. Okay, yeah, the account is added. So if you wish to change the star to starlight, for example, the star is coming to me and saying that better you can change my name to starlight. Okay. So yeah, you can see here. This is the very important command. Okay, yeah. If you search for star, you can even see the starlight over here. Okay. See here, starlight is the username, but the home directory is home/star, because while creating the account for star, it is home star. Okay. In such case, you need to modify the account. So to modify the account, you need to know this command, usermod. What we are going to change, home directory, so D, then slash home slash star light or star light. Okay, so you can grep here. Okay, you can see like the home directory of starlight has been changed into slash home slash starlight. You can even create a home directory under home directory for starlight. For example, you can get into the navigating the path cd followed by home, and you can create a directory like mkdir starlight, and after that you can use this command. For overall, like, these are the three important commands for user management in Linux: user add, user mod, user del. The important file you should know under user management is cat/etc/password. By knowing all these commands, like, I think it is very easy to manage the user in your Linux servers. So in any servers like Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, like, these are the servers, OpenSUSE, like, these are the major flavors which is available in the corporate infrastructures. So as an administrator, by knowing all these commands and their attributes, you can able to manage the users in the servers in a very effective manner. Thanks for watching this video. We will see in our next video. Better practice all these commands by your own on your systems and prepare. Okay, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I will try to post more videos. Okay, thanks. Bye.